Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1065 online. First, understand that Form 1065 is the U.S. Return of Partnership Income, a crucial document for all domestic partnerships. Filing electronically can significantly save you time and reduce potential errors. We'll guide you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth and compliant submission process, making tax season much less stressful for your business. Before you begin, gather all necessary financial documents. This includes your income statements, balance sheets, and any other records of expenses. You'll also need to prepare a Schedule K-1 for each partner, detailing their share of income, deductions, and credits. Finally, ensure you have your business's employer identification number readily available for accurate filing. Next, select an IRS-approved tax software specifically designed for partnership returns. Many reputable options are available that simplify the process. Carefully input all your business and financial data into the software, double-checking every entry. Before the final submission, take time to thoroughly review all information to catch any potential mistakes and ensure accuracy. After successfully filing your Form 1065, it's crucial to keep digital and physical copies of all submitted forms and schedules for your records. Be prepared for potential follow-up correspondence or even an audit from the IRS, so maintaining organized documentation is key. Also, for more great financial insights and other deals, make sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.